Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you my go-to way to paint Spider-Man for those fast-paced, high-volume events. First, load a Smoothy blender with white Starblends and create your Spider-Man eye shape. Next, with red paint, I'm going to create the background for my spider webs. Next, I'll load black and outline the eye. And use the top corner of the eye as the focal point and paint in the main spider web lines. And then I'll create my webbing. Now, once you're done with all your web lines, you can stop your design there if you want to use it as a line buster. But if you have a little more time, add some stenciling. Highlight your webs. And a little bit of highlight over the eye. And that's it, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.